Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series we will make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So in my last video I have explained all the menus under the dashboards and reports, right? And user management I have also explained in my previous videos. HLO management I have already explained, create and view and different functionalities are in HLBC web application portal, like doing the demarcation of HLB and also geotagging. All these functionalities I have explained. Copy boundary I have explained in one of my video, right? So in that playlist all the videos will be there, right? CMMS hands-on practice playlist. And also I have explained the resize and resize button, right? Resize, how to increase the HLB, right? And how to decrease the HLB size, how resize is done, how redraw option is there, also I have explained. Undo, redraw, everything I have explained in HLBC web application portal, which is also called as HLBC. So today what we will do, this thing I have already explained. So this thing I have also told that yes, we can give the description of the description using this menu, HLB description, right? So here we can give the description that what is the HLB in the east, similarly what is the HLB in the west, and what will be the in the north and what will be in the south. It will help us, right? It will help us to trace that which HLB is this. So in west, what is the HLB in west, we should give the numbers like this. In descriptions, if we give this and any other descriptions of any landmark, which will help us to trace that HLB. And after that, today we will learn about the remaining menus, which are called supervisor circle creation, supervisor circle allotment, supervisor circle revocation, HLB allocation, HLB revocation, and then enumerator and supervisor, ID and appointment card generation, and then upload of supervisory maps and upload of enumerator maps. So these concepts I will, and village register and charge register also in this video we will discuss. So first we will go to supervisor circle creation. So what do you mean by supervisory circle, right? So after we have done the demarcation and geotagging of HLB, our next step is to put that HLB in some supervisory circle. So for doing that, we will click here in this and see, this is all the unallocated HLBs. These are all the unallocated HLBs, means these are all the HLBs that we have created, right? In each village we have first given number of HLBs, and after that we have demarcated it in the HLBC portal, and after that these are all the HLBs which we have created, means which we have completed demarcation, right? So what we need to do, see here it is showing unallocated HLBs. These are all unallocated source HLBs. From here we need to create, either we can create new HLB, new supervisor circle, or we can, in the existing supervisor circle, we can add this HLB. Let's say I will do both the process. First let me add 2 HLB in the existing supervisor circle. The supervisor circle is 001. So after that I will click on add to destination and see 002 and 003 are added in supervisory circle 00. Destination supervisor circle is 001. So after that I will submit all changes. Click on submit all changes. See, in 001 supervisor circle 006 and 007 are added, and earlier there are 4 HLBs in the same supervisor circle. So in each supervisor circle it is recommended to give at least 6 HLBs, right? In one supervisor circle there will be 6 HLBs, and each supervisor circle will be allocated to some supervisor. Okay, so first thing we have done, that in this case what we have done, we have means mark the unallocated and put it in supervisor circle 1. Now what we'll do, we'll create a new supervisor circle. So for that we will click here new, and then we will click 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 HLB I will put into a new supervisor circle, and that supervisor circle will be numbered as 002 because 001 earlier supervisor circle already created. So I will click on add to destination and OK. See, new supervisor circle will be created in which 1 2 3 4 5 these 6 HLBs will be there, and I will now click on submit all changes. See, 002 is the new supervisor circle, and here again 6 HLBs I have added. Okay, so after that what we need to do, we have created the supervisor circle. So next work is, first I have created the HLB, demarcation is completed. After that I have allocated those HLBs to a supervisor circle. Now my work is to allocate a supervisor to that supervisory circle, right? For this supervisor circle allotment, I will go and I will allocate a supervisor to that supervisory circle. So I will allocate here and I will choose one supervisor. Let's say this is the supervisor, and I will allocate to him. See, supervisor circle 2, supervisor circle number 2, I am allocating to this one, and I will allocate it. So I have allocated it to a user with name something like this, and it has been allocated. After that what I can do, so revocation I will learn later. So revocation I will explain here. Revocation is basically, let's say some supervisor is unable to work due to some problem. So in that case we can revoke that supervisor and allocate that supervisor circle to some other supervisor. So this is the function of supervisor circle revocation. We can revoke it by clicking on revoke. So next thing is, say we have first created the HLB and then we have allocated those HLB to a supervisor circle. One supervisor circle will have 6 HLB. So after creating the supervisor circle, we have allotted one supervisor to that supervisory circle. Now my work is, there are 6 HLBs in one supervisor circle, so we need to allocate each HLB to a enumerator, right? So for that we will click on HLB allocation and see, here there are two supervisor circles, 001 and 002, and inside this supervisor circle, here there are 6 total HLB, and wait, here are 6 total HLBs and unallocated HLBs are 2. Means 4 are already allocated to some enumerators and remaining 2 are unallocated. Here 6 HLB, this is the new supervisor circle that we have created. Here total 6 HLBs we have allocated and all are unallocated. Means we have not allocated single HLB to any of the enumerator. Got it? So now what I will do, I will allocate it, right? By clicking here I will allocate. Clicking here I will allocate 2 enumerators. Let's say one enumerator and another enumerator, and now I will allocate it. So HLB has been successfully allocated. Now see, all the unallocated HLBs become 0, as all the HLBs we have allocated to a enumerators. So after that revocation is similarly that in case that enumerator is unable to work, right? So we can revoke that enumerators using the revoke functionality. So these are some of the functions of creation of supervisor circle to allocation of HLB to an enumerators. Now next menu is supervisor appointment letter and ID card generation. So it is very easy. You can directly click here. See, appointment letter and ID card. If you click here, then it will download this PDF, right? Similarly, we have ID card. If we click here, then it will download the ID card of PDF of ID card. So there is a QR code on that ID card. If we scan that QR code, then you will get the verified certificate from Government of India, right? So this can be used if, let's say, in any household, if you are going, enumerator may be visiting in any household. In that case, the household person may ask you, show me your identity. If you are verified or not, how you can show him? In that case, you can show him the QR code and ask him to scan it so that he can get a verified certificate from that QR code. And after the similarly appointment letter of enumerators, you can generate from here, and then appointment letter and ID card of supervisor and enumerator for the reserved list. Those enumerators and supervisors who will be allocated, those enumerators and supervisors who will be allocated the HLB, then he will be automatically removed from the reserved list. So this is this is another upload supervisory maps, right? And this is upload enumerators map. So upload supervisory maps means the supervisor, after going to the field, wait, what first enumerator will do? Enumerator will visit the field and all the household, and he will create a hand sketch map in the layout map, which will be layout map, which is also present in the download section, right? There is a layout map. I will show it later. So there will be a map, okay, and in that map enumerator has to draw the exact HLB boundaries and all the landmarks present, and also the house number and all those things he has to draw it, right? Any ponds, using the legends which are on the left side of that layout map, he has to draw the map in pen and paper, and after that he has to scan it and then upload it, right? So after let's say in one supervisor circle there are 6 enumerators, right? So each enumerator will draw the map and will submit finally to the supervisor. Supervisor, after seeing all the map, he will create a consolidated map consist of 6 HLBs, and that supervisor map will be uploaded using this menu, and that enumerator's map will be uploaded using this menu. We'll browse it and directly upload it, right? See, supervisor circle, one supervisor map, supervisor circle 2, another supervisor map. So these are some of the maps that need to be uploaded in the CMMS portal. After that, two important things: village register and charge register. So if we click in the village register, there is an edit option. We'll edit it, and after that we'll maximize it. Let's say these are some of the values that we need to fill, okay? So let's say name of the village and town or vernacular we need to fill, name of the gram panchayat, whatever the name of the gram panchayat we need to fill, have headbust or settlement number if any we need to fill, and then we need to fill that what type of villages is there, whether it is NA or uninhabited or forest village or others or submerged or census town or reserve forest. So we need to fill it. If we mark in others, then we need to fill the remarks, what others remarks we need to enter, right? Otherwise this field will be disabled. Only if we click on others, then this field will be enabled. So this is all about our village register. This is very much important. We should fill it, because this is the only proof that after the completion of census, this will be this will be a legitimate proof that how many, what are the villages, what is the complete details. So as and when on all the process will be going on, then this village register will be auto filled. Only these fields we need to fill it later, right? And after that, charge register is there. So charge register, in supervisor circle basis, charge register will be generated. So we'll go to the edit and we'll click on supervisor circle, and then it will get generated. We need to fill some of the details, not all the details, like see, these are some of the details that we need to fill, like name of the gram panchayat. So whatever gram panchayat will be giving in our previous, that will be coming in this drop down. Similarly, name of the hamlet's name, whatever we will be giving, that will be coming in this. And then training allowance, what is the training allowance we need to enter, right? It is around 600. We need to check the circulars, what is the ORGA guidelines, right? And amount of honorarium, you will see the guideline, what is the exact, it's around for phase 1 it's like maybe 9,000, and phase 2 it's 16,000. Please check the government guidelines, and after that only fill that. And remarks, see, if remarks indicate if SRS block, if there is any SRS block, then we need to mention it with that SRS. SRS means sample registration system. So we'll make some other video where we will explain what exactly is SRS. SRS is basically sample registration system. In a sample, we used to collect the data of people, and it takes place twice in a year. So in some other videos we'll make a detailed video on SRS. So this is all about charge register and village register, and average house list that we'll be studying in our phase 2. So I'll make a separate video on average house list. So this is all about our this menu, HLO management menu. So I have explained all the menus under HLO management. So this is all about HLO management. I hope you please go through other videos of HLO management, I have already uploaded many videos on HLO management. So this will be around fourth or fifth lectures on HLO management. Please go through all the videos of HLO management in my playlist, so that you will get a complete and complete summarized detailed understanding of what exactly HLO management is doing. So this is all about. So thank you for watching this video, and hope this video will be beneficial for this forthcoming census 2027. For more step-by-step CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.